told you that you can create Pixar-style AI animation like this for free. And the best part, without breaking your characters. Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Ali, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create consistent characters throughout your videos so you can make your videos look professional, engaging, and captivate your audience. And you're going to be amazed when you know that you can create a full Pixar animation in less than 2 hours. And that's simply because I've done all the heavy lifting for you. So this is the secret sauce of this tutorial. Unlike generic master prompts given by creators on YouTube, I've engineered a master prompt that'll save you hours of work. So if you want to learn the secret and create videos in less time, keep watching and I'll show you how. If this is the kind of AI animation you want to create, then be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you're first to know when I release new videos like this. What's really important about today's video is creating consistent characters so that you can make your AI videos look professional. Keeping characters consistent is key to creating compelling animation. And so my first step was creating the master shots of each character in different views, so AI lock in the look of each character, their size, and clothing colors in every scene. The next step was even easier when I generated all scenes because I didn't have to re-describe each character again and again. And finally, it was about bringing all those videos to life by turning them into videos. I know this sounds crazy, but when you're doing it the right way from the beginning, your next steps are going to be a lot easier. Now let's dive into showing you how to do all of this for free. First AI tool to generate the master shots of characters and scenes is called Quinn AI. Using Quinn AI allows you to generate up to 50 images per day for free. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description below. I started by generating a similar female character in my story, and as you can see, this is how the character looks like. It's pretty incredible. The details are crisp. It's very vibrant, colors are amazing, and I've requested it to create 3 different views so that AI knows exactly how to use the right pose in each scene. Now, after generating the master shot of your character and you're happy with it, this is going to be your next step. You're going to use the same exact chat in order to create your scene. So you're just going to paste the prompt for your scene, and this is going to be the result. As you can see, it used the same character. It kept the character consistent, except not covering the entire body with the blanket, because this is a mistake in my prompt. But don't worry, because when you start using my engineered master prompt, you will not have any problem with any of your characters or scenes. What's really important though is that when you start a new chat and you click on the plus sign right here, this is how you're going to do it. You simply need to click on the image generation button, and then you want to select the aspect ratio by clicking on the drop down menu right here. Choose 16:9, and then you're ready to go. You just need to paste your prompt for the master character shot and then go for the scene using the same exact chat. This will guarantee keeping the same character consistency and generating your scene, including the character that looks exactly the same in the master shot. Once you've finalized all the scenes and you're happy with the output, our second and final AI video tool is going to be Grok. Now here's how you're going to do it, because a lot of people get confused that they start chatting directly with Grok, and that's not the right way to do it, because Grok can only chat and generate images for you, not videos. And so we're going to start using the AI video model that's embedded in the website by simply clicking on the Imagine tab on the left side right here. You can simply click on the attach icon right here, upload your image, and then wait for it to be uploaded. As soon as the image is uploaded, you're going to start seeing a page like this where you have the image ready, and then below that is going to be the text box where you need to paste the motion prompt, and finally just simply click on the generate button. Wait for it. It usually takes about 10 seconds to generate the clip for you. What makes Imagine competitive, even though it is free in Grok, is that it's the fastest AI video model across all AI video models out there. It's not just the fastest, but it's not limiting you to keeping a watermark on their clips. So even though you're using their free version, you still get high quality videos without watermark, and in a matter of seconds, you can generate a ton of videos on a daily basis. Now, one constraint I'd like to explain about using Imagine and Grok, that its limit per day is around 20 clips. So if you want to bypass that, you can simply create an anonymous email. It accepts it, sign up with that email, and then you will have a chance to generate around 20 other clips throughout the day. So if you want to keep generating unlimited videos until you say enough is enough, use this method by creating anonymous emails, signing up in Grok, and have fun creating. Now let's watch the full movie and see it in action.
up in a nightmare dream.
It is such a beauty being able to create this masterpiece for free, don't you agree? And as promised, here's the part that's going to save you hours of work. I didn't just make the animation, I built a master prompt. This master prompt is going to work for you. So you're going to feel like you're the one in charge and in control. This means that once you copy this master prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, it's going to start asking you questions, it's going to stop and await your input. And of course, you have to choose the story, you will confirm the characters, you'll decide if there's a dialogue or silence, and of course, the AI doesn't control you. You control it. And at that point, you're the boss in here. So I've done a lot of work to take all the heavy lifting for you so that you can save your time and start creating videos in less than 2 hours. If you follow the instructions, all you have to do is simply copy the master prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and find out how easy and how fast you can create videos like crazy. Oh, and don't worry about the irritating music that's generated by default in Grok, because I already took care of that part in the master prompt. Now I want to share with you my final tip to increase the quality of your videos in Imagen before downloading them. So when you generate the video and you're happy with it, what you want to do is click on the 3 dots on the top right, and then you want to click on upscale video. This will turn it into HD. So that's high definition, and it will provide you with amazing result. You can use it, and then after you've had all the clips, you can combine them in a video editor and then post them wherever you want. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until then, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.